With Omicron making its presence felt in India, it has become a serious concern for the authorities for early detection of the variant. Omicron, as classified as variant of concern by WHO, as it was detected in Africa last month, is increasing day by day in India. But the serious concern is early detection. As it has been seen that it is taking 3 to 4 days of time to detect Omicron in a sample collected from persons concerned. But the good news is that ICMR Dibrugarh has detected a kit, prepared a kit which can be used for detection of Omicron in as early as 2 hours of time. We have with us senior scientist Dr. Biswajit Borkakoti of ICMR, who has prepared this kit. So, sir, can you give us the details how you have prepared this kit and how it will going to help the people?
Thank you. I would like to say that this Omicron variant is only the SARS-CoV-2 only, but has got some significant difference in the spike protein. So based on this spike protein analysis, we on the 25th of November, when the GSAID sequence was available, we designed it in-house, and this is a real-time RT-PCR assay that can detect the variant within 2 hours. So as of now, as you have already said, that it takes minimum of 36 hours by targeted sequencing and at least 4 to 5 days by whole genome sequencing. So this is very important, and we have validated this assay using synthetic Omicron gene fragment and also with our SARS-CoV-2 samples. So it has been found 100% accurate till now. And we are in collaboration with a biotech company, 100% make-in biotech company from Calcutta. They will be synthesizing this kit, and they in bulk actually. They have the capacity to synthesize within 2 to 3 days, and the licensing is in process.
So within 2 to 3 days, we are able to get the benefit of this kit, you say?
Yes, we hope so. With the paperwork already in process, and the kit is already, we have manufactured it, and all the components of the kit is made in India. So this is in collaboration with ICMR RMRC Dibrugarh. I hope so this will benefit for quick and rapid identification of the Omicron variant and distinguish it from the other variants of SARS-CoV-2.
So it is a good news for India that the team of ICMR Dibrugarh has prepared a kit which enables to detect Omicron in as early as 2 hours of time.